Are you still doing your video subtitles by hand? You're wasting hours. Let Premiere do the work. Manual captions equals lost time, missed deadlines, and zero fun. Are created as soon as you add your clip to the timeline. As you can see here, my transcript is being created. And then it's as easy as coming to the captions panel over here and saying create captions from the transcript. And then you've got some options here where you can choose how you wish to style it. And I'm just going to leave this as it is. And it's busy generating the captions for me now. Okay, here are my transcripts. You can see here at the top, I have got a transcript layer. So what I could also go and do here is I can go and choose to translate those captions, and I can decide, all right, what is the source language? So it's English. I can then go and decide, all right, I want this to be in, let's say, German, and I can then go and translate, and you can see here that it is creating my German captions for me on a different layer. So I can then export my video into two different formats. Clean, accurate, fast. Perfect for training videos, webinars, or meetings. Want to learn more about Premiere Pro? Contact us for customized Adobe training.